A lot of people, when they say, okay, so what's the chance that your next trade will be profitable? They think of the winning ratio or profit factor, something like that. But those numbers are an average, right? So let's say your strategy, you backtested your strategy over 10 years, and 55% of the trades are profitable. You say, that's the easy answer. It's 55%. That would be the probability of profit. But that's what we call a unconditional probability. It doesn't take into account the particular circumstance of the next trade. And it doesn't really help you, as a trader to decide whether to make the next trade, because it's, every day is going to be the same, this unconditional probability. What traders really want to know is, given the certain circumstances, current regime, the current market condition, what is really the probability that I'm going to lose money in the next trade, or make money in the next trade? That's what we call a conditional probability, and that's much more useful to a trader.